Greetings, friends, and welcome to another Haunting Stories. This one's a little bit different, as the story is going to be using this monument tombstone that I had built previously, and you will find the link to it right about what's up there. Now, there was a song that I heard. It's Eleanor Rigby by Cody Fry, and he took such an interesting twist on the song. I'm going to put a link in the description regardless if you haven't heard it. To take such a twist on a Beatles song that it made me think about how that whole song could be reinterpreted, and reinterpreted I did. So this haunting story is going to be a little bit different. This story is pretty dark, so you may not want to use it in all haunts. But regardless, the story that I came up with is fun, and it is different. Some of the spots might sound a little bit clunky, not necessarily fully blown clunky, just it may feel tiny bit awkward. I'm fitting lyrics into the story. So if you're a Beatles fan and you know Eleanor Rigby, you will pick every single one of them out. If you don't know it, listen to the song before you watch this creepy story. Anyways, enjoy my creepy take on Eleanor Rigby.
The chilling story of Eleanor Rigby. One fateful night, a fire broke out in the local church where Eleanor resided with her father. Eleanor was horrifically burned, and her once lovely face became scarred. She feared being seen, so she hid away in the church. Sometime later, a young lady came to the church looking for help. It was cold, and she was gravely ill. Sadly, that night she succumbed to her sickness and passed away. Eleanor, seeing her beautiful face and wanting back what she had lost, horrifically removed it from that young lady and took to wearing it like a mask. And in that moment, she felt beautiful again. Her father in the morning discovered the horrific act, but then he heard his daughter's laugh and saw his daughter smile again. His outlook suddenly changed. They buried the young lady, and Eleanor continued to wear the mask, each night taking it off to put it in a bottle of formaldehyde by the door. It was not enough, as the mask slowly decomposed, and his bright and cheery daughter once again felt despondent. Thus initiated a chilling legacy of luring young women to the church to ensure a steady supply of masks for his daughter. The formaldehyde in time made Eleanor gravely ill, and soon after she passed away. Her father buried her here, along with her name. Nobody came. Realizing what he had done to make his daughter happy, rampant guilt soon after caught up with him, and this story ended with his lifeless body dangling from an old oak tree. No one was saved.